In this video, I show you how to switch professional account on Instagram. If you're new to the channel, please go down below and consider subscribing. And once you've done that, please go down below and consider leaving a like. And let's jump straight into this guide. Just a quick note, this guide is going to work on Android, iPhone, and pretty much all types of devices. And let's get right into this. So the first thing you need to do is of course go and open up the Instagram app. Then once you're on the app, what you need to do is go to your profile just like this, and what you need to do is go and tap on the three bars in the top right of Instagram, and this is going to go and open up a menu. And from your menu you need to go and tap on settings just like so, and then from your settings you then need to go and tap on account. It's quite near the bottom of this list, or you can go and search for it, and here we are on account. Then what you need to do is scroll right to the bottom of this page, and as you can see you've got the option to go and switch to a professional account. So all you need to do is tap on that just like so, and as you can see it's giving us sort of the bonuses and what you're going to go and get with getting a professional account, or switching to one I should say. As you can see you get more access to insights and things like that, and you can go and swipe across and go and check out all this stuff. Then all you then need to do is press continue, and then what you can go and do is choose what best describes you. So I could be digital creator for example, and then you can also have it displaying on your profile as well, on your bio. It does look quite cool to be fair, and then you can go and press done. Then as you can see it's now finishing creating your professional account, and it's also important to note as well you can go and switch back to a normal account as well, to a personal profile from a professional one, and I'll show you that in a different video. Then as you can see you can go and choose if you're a creator or a business. I'm a creator in this case, so I then tap next just like that, and then you can go and sign up for more emails. I don't want to. And then you've got these 4 steps to complete, but you don't have to go and complete them immediately. For now I'm going to go and close off of it just like so. I'm going to go and refresh, and as you can see I've now got the professional account. You can go and see I'm a digital creator in my bio, and I can also go and add contact options into my bio as well, for example email, phone number, and even address if it was a physical business as well. And that's it guys. If you found this useful, please go down below and consider leaving a like. Peace.